Honorable CM, Tejini Oromganang EM Zokbai, Joto Palmini Phai, then first dose Nahaka coronavirus, second dose after 42 days, 11 June of Layu Haite, then Hastini Joto Takupe Buku Tongo Sanan Musumo, there's a Borong vaccine, Rizangani Dorkar, Joto Borong Dorkar, almost second wave, among the Tabu Hai Tongo, or Sara. Bishop Nangino Tini one like that. Vaccine result by the vaccine which you offer it by you already 40 minutes or observation like that. Among Tini Humlen ni Karangbar Hospital Tini edition one. Tini doctor of Sonokam play vaccine vaccine to Europe the Kanamana or Yumaro Kabo Konge vaccine of Zakwayan to coronavirus and fight not.